let's take a dive into the historical constitutional influences that our founding fathers were looking at when they were crafting the Constitution. So there's going to be 6 of them that you are going to look at. The first one is the Magna Carta. And the instructions say highlight 2 important things to know about the Magna Carta. Now, if you'll notice, you can actually highlight on this. I didn't do it the way I usually do it. So you would find the 2 parts that were important. For example, just this, I'm just randomly choosing something. That is not to indicate to you that that's the important part. And then you click highlight color and then choose whatever color you want. After you have highlighted 2 important things to know about the Magna Carta, you're going to write down here the example of, or explain 2 reasons you feel that this document influenced the founding fathers. In other words, why did they choose to look at the Magna Carta? What about it was helpful to them? Next up, you're still in the Magna Carta. You're going to click on this video and you're going to watch it. And then after watching it, you're going to explain 2 ways that the Magna Carta influences us today. It's not going to tell you the answers in the video. You have to apply what you hear to the government and the society that you know. After that, you are going to answer the question, should the founding fathers have looked at this document as an influence in the writing of the Constitution? Yes or no? Okay. And then why that is yes or no. Don't worry about this yet. So you're going to repeat that for the Virginia House of Burgesses, the Mayflower Compact, the Fundamental Orders of Connecticut. And please note on the Virginia House of Burgesses, I refer to it as VHB, Virginia House of Burgesses, in a couple places just because I didn't have room for the text. Fundamental Orders of Connecticut, the English Bill of Rights, and then the Albany Plan of Union. So after you have repeated that, you're going to check your understanding down here with a drag and drop. And remember, you cannot do drag and drop in present mode. Then you are going to think about which one of these was the most influential. And I think the easiest way to do this is which one was the least influential. And that would be the one that you put a 6 in. Okay, so whichever one you feel is least influential, you would put a 6 and then just start ranking them. And then after you decide which one gets the number 1 award, you're going to write in here, the most influential was, and then you have to explain, not just state, because it's important, for example, explain, that's a little bit more in depth, 2 reasons why this was the most influential of all of those 6 documents.